Hey guys, what is going on this fine day? I'm just going to give you guys a quick walk around and startup of my 2006 GSXR-600 with a Two Brothers Racing exhaust. And I've had this bike for a while. I love my bike. You see I replaced the brakes on it. I replaced the brakes and brake calipers for the drilled and slotted. I love these brakes. God, they stop. The only thing I don't like about these brakes is they squeak a lot. But I guess that's to be expected from magnesium. And I blacked out the windshield. And the other thing that I did is, maybe you can see here, I took the 750 bottom off, the fairing from the 750, and put it on my bike. It actually looks really good. Let me see if I can go ahead and get this somewhere that you can actually see the exhaust. Sorry about all the grass. I'm putting my camera in the grass. There we are. Good sound out of this. Here's when she's running. Set it back down again and rev it a little bit. And there it is with the Two Brothers exhaust. I love the sound that exhaust makes. Alrighty guys, tell me what you guys think down in the comments.